হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল আর্লি লার্ন উইথ ডিডি। আর বন্ধুরা, আজকে আবার চলে আসছে একটা সুন্দর স্টোরিতে। আর এই স্টোরিটা হলো রামায়ণা। তাহলে বন্ধুরা চলো লেটস স্টার্ট। Long time ago, King Dasharatha ruled over Ayodhya. He had 4 sons, Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrugna. One day King Janaka of Mithila organized a Sayamvara for his daughter Sita. He said, "The prince who will string this bow shall win my daughter's hand." Many princes of the neighboring cities tried, but all failed. Rama and Lakshmana with sage Vishwamitra also arrived. Rama strung the bow in one go and married Sita. When King Dasharatha came to know this, he was very happy. He thought, "I am growing old. I must make Rama the king." But Kaikeyi, Dasharatha's third wife, said, "O king, do you remember your promise?" King Dasharatha replied, "Yes, I will give you whatever you will ask me." Kaikeyi said, "I want you to send Rama in exile for 14 years. King Dasharatha was shocked, but as promised, he had to send Rama in exile. When Rama heard this, he immediately left for the forest. Sita and Lakshmana joined him. Soon, King Dasharatha died and Bharata was asked to become the king, but he refused. Instead, he took Rama's slippers and kept them on throne. In the forest, a demoness, Shurpanakha, saw Rama. She got angry when Rama refused to marry her and attacked Sita. Lakshmana cut off Shurpanakha's nose to protect Sita. Shurpanakha asked for her brother, King Ravana's help. He asked Maricha to help him kidnap Sita. One day Sita saw Maricha, disguised as a golden deer, and asked Rama to bring it in to her. Soon Lakshmana also went behind his brother. Before leaving, he drew a rekha around the hut for Sita's safety. Ravana, disguised as a sage, came to Rama's hut and asked for some food. As soon as Sita crossed the rekha to give, look at this rekha, food to Ravana, he carried her away. Rama and Lakshmana could not find Sita when they returned home. Rama then sent Hanumana to look for Sita. Hanumana found Sita in Lanka. Suddenly he was caught by Ravana's guard. They set Hanuman's tail on fire. Hanuman flew around, setting the entering Lanka ablaze to bring Sita back. Rama had to fight the 10-headed Ravana. Ravana's brother told Rama the only way to kill Ravana was to hit him in the navel. Rama did so and Ravana died. After killing Ravana, Rama and Sita returned to Ajodhya. Rama was crowned the king. তো বন্ধুরা, কেমন লাগলো? রামায়ণের ফুল স্টোরিটা খুব ছোট্ট করে তোমাদের কাছে দেওয়া হলো। ভালো লাগলে লাইক করবে, কমেন্ট করবে আর শেয়ার করবে বন্ধুদের সাথে। আর যারা এখনো সাবস্ক্রাইব করনি, প্লিজ প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবে, কারণ তোমাদের লাইক আর সাবস্ক্রাইবেই তো আমি বুঝতে পারবো আমার ভিডিওগুলো, আমার পড়ানোগুলো তোমাদের কতটা ভালো লাগছে। তাহলে আজকের মতো এইটুখানি থাকলো, আবার দেখা হবে কালকে ঠিক একই সময়। বাই বাই।